I felt like everything was pushing me towards making a change. And I really felt that like I had gone to school to be a child psychologist.
Yeah.
I really should be helping people, and I'm not. And I remember calling my mom, buckle up. Here's what she said. Maybe you should think about it a little differently. Sitting across from someone in a white jacket, talking to them, is not the only way to help someone. You are teaching America how important it is to sit back around the table, to share a meal, to connect with one another. There are generations now who just don't do this anymore. And your whole mission is embedded in what you grew up. You don't create it because it's there. It's who you are. Yeah. She's like, so maybe you could change the thought that these baking dishes are really changing people's lives and you're helping them. And I was like, I am not worthy. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Like, but sometimes you need that reset. You need that someone to come in and say, get in your charging station. Wow. It's okay. Maybe look at something a little differently. Maybe look at this versus that. We sometimes get so fixated in our mind of the path we think we're supposed to be on, that we miss all the magic of the ways we get rerouted.